so I'm done with my hair. This is the finished product. This is the finished product, and I like it. It's really, really cute. I definitely think it fits me. Like, I can't wait to style it up, you know, do it really cute. I can't wait to get Bae's reaction because he loves when I wear my natural hair, so he might fall in love with this hairstyle for real. But y'all, this is so cute. Like, we have Gots to Be Spray, Murray's Edge Wax. We actually have two because this one is a little empty. Detangling. Oh shit. We have some detangling spray, our clips and our hair ties, and our white tooth comb. Oh, and an edge brush. So currently I'm detangling my hair with my fingers before I start because, truth be told, you don't need a comb, okay? That's how you pull out all your hair. All right, so I'm done detangling my hair, and now it's time to get started. Okay, so we're doing the box braids, the boho box braids without extensions. Hopefully this comes out cute. Okay, I don't know. All right, so this is gonna be my first section. That hair's out my way.
I got plaques in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive. You can do it too, believe. I've been throwing the sex in the. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in the. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in the. And I can put you in. And I can put you in.
12 o'clock midnight.
All right, y'all, so I am completely done with the back. Once I'm done with my entire head, I'm gonna go and obviously define the curls and make it pop. I think I'm experiencing postpartum shedding, y'all. I'll probably leave out a little bit of edges.
I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, it was outside free.
I braid down a couple of inches. I don't know how many inches this is. I'm sorry. But I'm braiding down a couple of inches, and then I'm going to let out my first piece. I'm trying not to leave out too much hair. But I don't know, girl. We're going to see when I wet it and put product in it how much is really left out. But, so boom. I left that out. I'm just going to continue braiding. I'm only leaving out 2 pieces for each braid. Oh, I tried to leave that out and I just braided it in. Whatever.
I got plaques in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive. You can do it too, believe. I've been throwing the sex in the. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in the. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in the. I can put you in. I can put you in. And I can put you in.
If you're gonna do this hairstyle, make sure you have a water spray bottle, all right? Because this is annoying. So look at this side compared to this side. Yeah. So I'm done with my hair. This is the finished product. This is the finished product, and I like it. It's really, really cute. I definitely think it fits me. Like, I can't wait to style it up, you know, do it really cute. I can't wait to get Bae's reaction because he loves when I wear my natural hair, so he might fall in love with this hairstyle for real. But yo, this is so cute. Like, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like hair tutorials or whatever, subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see y'all in my next video.